Hi, welcome to Rouzati Rugs. In this video, I'll be highlighting Caucasian rugs. Now, when we talk about Caucasian rugs, we know that they're highly sought after by collectors. They're aged in the sense that they're generally 100 years old plus. And what's so unique about them is not only the sizes that they're made in terms of being small and medium sized, but also the vibrant hues that are used. They're also natural dyes, and they're just very unique in terms of the overall design of being geometric. So they'll have some unique stars and unique border patterns, like this beautiful Kubo Caucasian rug here. This is from the 1860s, and I'll show you just how fine this rug is on the back side. But just take a look at the beautiful pattern here, the vibrant orange colors that you see that pop out nicely. It's truly a gorgeous rug. So looking at this beautiful antique Caucasian chiffon rug here, this is about 120 years old. As I had mentioned earlier, Caucasian rugs generally have a lot of age to them, and it has a beautiful ornate geometric border going along the edge. You see that this is a prayer design with the mihrab right here, so it's directional to be used for prayer, and it's just a stunning piece with these pops of bright orange and rust and a combination of various different elements of the tribal design that it has. So you don't generally see this type of a size when it comes to Caucasian rugs. This is an antique chiffon runner. And as I mentioned, due to the age of these rugs, you'll notice that there are going to be areas of some wear and tear, like here. There's a little bit of wear that you see along the surface. But in general, if you're able to find something that is of relatively good condition, it'll be able to hold up its value quite well. So in general, just to recap, Caucasian rugs come from the Caucasus region, which is the former Soviet bloc, Russia, and various different parts of Asia as well. And in addition, they're woven in small to medium sizes, like the sizes that you've been seeing here. They come in vibrant hues, natural dyes, with a lot of unique geometric patterns and tribal motifs. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Rouzati Rugs. And don't forget to check out our blog on RouzatiRugs.com, where we share some great information about rugs in general. Thanks for watching.